Hey everyone, found another air freshener. It's almost getting ridiculous now. Everywhere I walk, these are all over the ground, littering the place. This one happens to be blueberry, and I'm gonna open it up using my grip here, my vice grip, and we'll see what's inside. So give me a moment and I'll unpause the video. All right, so this is the item disassembled. Here's the air freshening mixture inside there. There's a battery hooked up here. It happens to be an 18350, and the sensor is down at the bottom here. Okay, this one happens to not be rechargeable, so it's a little simpler construction. Let's have a look in here and see what the filament looks like. Just open this up here. It's all wrapped up, as you can see, around there, and somewhere inside of this burned out husk, and it's really oily. Yeah, I'm getting my fingers really dirty here, but inside of there is whatever stuff is heating up. There it is. See? Basically the same thing like we've seen in all the other ones, but there's no metal in this one. So there you have it. Yet another battery thrown on the ground that's potentially could be reused, littering the streets, and 18350 battery with probably tons of charge left in it. And that's it. There you have it. Thanks for watching.